I just arrived to the job site, and sometimes I think sometimes we lucky to find a great doctor, a great mechanic, and in my case right now, I think that these people are lucky to find a great contractor. Yesterday, I went down the house and I analyzed a little bit, the infrastructure, all the pipelines, all the drainages, all the copper lines, all the cast iron, all pipes. So when you have an old house, and you have the wrong contractor, the wrong people doing your job, you are like minimizing the life of that house or apartment building. In this case, I arrived today early in the morning to the project, and I'm seeing the changes that we are producing to this old apartment. And I'm extremely happy with the results, because I know that we're going to be fixing a lot of different things, especially like a major heart attack, to this house because of the clogging arteries and veins that they used to have. So it's still a lot of work to do. But when you know what you're doing and what is the aim finish line, then it's better and simpler to arrive there. Also, you have to have owners that they are willing to work with you and understand that you're going to be saving them. And I don't know if it happened to you, but sometimes, we like to trust a doctor for a kid, for your mom, for yourself. And this case is the same thing. If you have the wrong doctor working on your house, then you're probably going to be ending having major problems. And what I'm looking at right now is, let's say, how we are putting together all the new copper lines where it used to be galvanized, really in bad shape. We are putting the new galvanized, the new copper lines, taking it to the bathroom. And this is the kitchen size. And we're going to be taking it to the bathroom. We got major problems here. Look at this. Okay, look at that. I hope you can see it there. This is the drainage pipe from the sink. This is, something that we got to put together right now. So I did wanted to just mention it, that really getting the good doctor is the most important thing that you have in your hands. You got to do the research. You got to do asking a lot of different people, who do you know, that it will help you do what you need to do in your older apartment or older house. If you are in Los Angeles or San Fernando Valley, give me a call, because I am that doctor. I can understand how houses feel, because I'm doing it for 40 years. And there are people who build homes and there are people who remodel homes. I'm a remodeler, so I know a lot of the problems that the houses have, and I know how to fix them. So you can trust me. You can give me a call and find out by yourself if we can help you. So go to santia.com and fill up the form and get in contact with me so we can check up your property and see how we can help you, okay? Trust me, it's going to be a great experience.